Question number 33. The nucleus of an element X has a radius R and density rho. Okay. The nuclear number of an element Y is 8 times that of X. What I do is, first I will write, let this element X has a mass number equal to A, nuclear number of nucleons in it is equal to A over A. So therefore, if I look at this one here, I can now write AY is equal to 8 times E. Okay. So what is the radius and density of the nucleus of Y? Radius and density of nucleus. So we know that R is equal to R naught A power 1 by 3. So let me do it for X first. Okay, X is equal to R naught A power 1 by 3 over here. And for Ry, if I write, this would be equal to R naught into, what is this now? This is 8 times A to the power of 1 by 3. The R naught will not change. Only this will change. So this should now be equal to R naught into 2 into A power 1 by 3, which is twice of R naught A power 1 by 3. Now what do we have? I want Ry in terms of R, right? So therefore I'll write Ry by Rx. Ry by Rx is equal to, now I'll write this as equal to 2 times R naught A power 1 by 3 divided by R naught A power 1 by 3. This goes away. I get the answer as 2 over here. Ry is equal to 2 times Rx. Ry is equal to 2 times Rx. This 2 goes away. This and this goes away. So this, either of this are correct. What about density? The density of nucleus is independent of the mass number. Okay, so this has been proved elsewhere also, but if you still want me to prove, I can do it over here. So let us say, for example, density of a nucleus. Density of a nucleus is given by mass divided by volume, right? Now what is mass? I'll just write, if I consider Z protons are present, okay, or maybe if I say this is mass of a nucleus, then I can say there are A nucleons present here, capital M, A nucleons of mass of each of this nucleon to be M over here. I can write like this. And this volume, I can write this as 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of the one spherical nucleus, right? And I know R equal to R naught A power 1 by 3. So what I will do is write AM divided by 4 by 3 pi R naught cube A power 1 by 3. If I see this expression, what I have done, if I cube this one, this becomes R naught cube and this becomes A over here. This A and this A goes over here. In other words, the expression I get is 3m divided by 4 pi R naught cube. 3 is constant, 4 is constant. M, what is M? Mass of one nucleus, that's also constant. Pi 3.142, that's also constant. R naught is given in your data booklet, that's also constant. So therefore, the whole thing is constant over here, which means density is constant, right? So the density does not vary whether you take a nucleus like a gold nucleus, you take, the density is something. You take for example oxygen nucleus, which has only 16 nuclei, that density is also same. And if you take for example hydrogen nucleus, that also has density, it's also same. So therefore, whatever you take, the density does not change. Okay, whichever nucleus you take, density does not change. And that is what it tells you, that the nuclear density is a constant. So therefore, now which is right? This is right here, this is right here. D should be right. Okay.